This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring your data is safe, so back up to iCloud or a computer now. Once done, confirm the Apple ID email and have a trusted phone or recovery address available. Next, go to Settings, tap your name, and attempt to sign out. You may need to turn off Find My iPhone. This requires your Apple ID password. If you don't have the password yet, proceed to Account Recovery immediately, but do not erase the device until you have a backup. If you're signed in, open Settings, tap Password and Security, and choose Change Password. Follow prompts using your device passcode to make a new password. If you're locked out, go to iForget. Apple. Calm or use the account recovery flow from a trusted device. Initiate recovery, verify via a trusted phone, or use your recovery contact. Make sure you create a strong, unique password and update it across devices and apps. Once confirmed, sign back into iCloud and re-enable services like Find My and iCloud Drive. After resetting your Apple ID password, sign into iCloud on each device and verify contacts, photos, and iCloud Drive are syncing again. Make sure you enable two-factor authentication and update your recovery email and trusted phone numbers to prevent future lockouts. If the device still requests the old account or activation lock persists, gather proof of purchase and contact Apple support. Explain you completed account recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.